Hey guys, so today I want to talk to you a little bit about food reviewers. Now, when it comes down to it, food reviewers can be really good for your restaurant. However, they can be people who are just conning you for a free meal. So my advice to you when it comes to people offering to review food for your restaurant, what you need to do is you need to say to them, okay, can you show us some of your previous work? Now, if they're providing really good detailed reviews, they've got their own website, things like that, they're doing backlinks to your restaurant, this is a really good person to go with. You treat them like a king, an emperor. But if a food reviewer is just going to write, the food was great, that's not good enough to give somebody a free meal. So you've got to be very careful when people are offering to do food reviews for you. And you will probably have had several people who have done this with you in the past. So my advice is, look at their work. Take the time, go through it. If they're putting up loads of pictures, they've got like good social media profiles, they're working really hard, and they're genuinely trying to review your food accurately, because there are foodies out there who will do that. There are some crazy foodies. I mean, when I was working with my old marketing company, Middleton's, which is a fantastic steak restaurant in town, they got us in and they gave us a free meal for the marketing campaign that we did. So when I wrote them a review, I wrote them about 3 A4 pages on the quality of the food. And what I did was I scoped the place out. I was watching what people were doing, how the waiters were interacting with people. I went into every single aspect of what made that company great. And I put that down in a review, and that review has done really well for them. So the thing is, having a really good review, if they're doing video, the footage, they're taking pictures, they're talking about things, they're actually putting in the effort and earning the money. And you'll see that when you look at their social media profiles. If they're earning the meal, you give them the meal. But if somebody can't be bothered and they're just somebody who's saying, hey, yeah, we'll give you a good food review, and they come in and everything, that is not good. These people are not people who you're going to want to go on the restaurant, and they'll probably leave you a bad review on your profile without even visiting you, and that's a problem. However, there are also people who will give you a really good review, and like a really good detailed review, and they won't even contact you. They'll just come in, review your food, and leave. Now, those people who've left you a good review, you want these people to come back because they've clearly enjoyed your meal. So my recommendation with them is find a way to get in contact with them. It's like, even if it's just like, hey, we really appreciate your review, can you please call the restaurant? We'd love to talk to you. Get them to come back, give them a free meal, because they've delivered a good service for you. And then that's going to benefit you, because if they come back twice, they've got a much higher percentage chance of coming back for a third time, and there will be reciprocity there, and that will benefit you. Anyway, hope that's been helpful. You take care and have a lovely day.